Hey guys, we're gonna hop into some legendary football. Alright, dang, why you pushing me last, dude? I was AFK, dude. You need to push me, dude. Dang, this must be a good game. Bro, I hate QBs, I just wanna roast you. Anyway, guys. Let's do this. We gotta get some intercept. They wide over here, bro. What the? Okay, they have a bad QB. Who's Leela? Why are all my friends joining me? I'm playing legendary football. When I play legendary football, he can't catch. Yeah, someone said hands. Why do people say hands like that? They go like, why do you say that? And then they get mad at me when I say dumb the wrong way. They say you can't spell. Okay. I like that. Get that same energy. I like that. I'm a good QB. Can I QB push mark? I don't know what. Bruh, what was that? What was that? That was doodoo. I'm gonna tell you something. That was doodoo. Right. I don't know what's fun. They wide over here. You can't throw. Most of my throws get intercepted because usually people have throwers who have no hands. But this chain should have hands, looking at the score. Most of mine just ran on returns and got touchdown. Born like an athlete. One of them swat me. He got one like he got swat me. What are they doing? You know, how are they winning? They're so trash. How are they winning? Oh my god. Our team must have been short. But now it's a Pro 1, 2, 2, 3 this year. And I am good. I am like Superman. Well, he plays football. I'm really good. I'm like Superman who plays football. Wide open. Bud, what are you doing? Me QB. I say ease. Happy QB? Let me be QB with your bell head. Dang. Why you booing? Was that to me? Oh, I was about to say that was not to me. If that wasn't to me, then he has no hands for that. If that wasn't to me. Let me see that so play. Was he behind me at first? He was not behind me at first. That was clearly to me, but it was too high. Where was it to him? I don't know really. Bulayo. Bro, I just got to the server earlier. These guys kept saying I was trash as QB. There's that. I'm the best quarterback in the server. Alright, that's surprising. But who's doing that? Oh, we doing that kicker? Yeah, I like that. Keep that same energy, bro. I'm the best QB in the server. Can I be QB for my team? Can I be QB? Team. Question mark. I'm gonna put a heart. Why was I about to put a heart? Smiley face. Oh, yo. You better throw a good pass. Yeah. Throw a good pass. Blah. You gotta throw a good pass. If I was rushing him, he lucky. I would have been rushing him. What if he didn't know how to throw it through his power? Bet. That's my interception. Oh, that's too far. Wait, no, it's not. Told you that was mine. Thanks. Told you that was mine. Bang. Bro, 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, now quarterback said go. Oh yeah, and. Oh yeah. Run that touchdown. Touchdown. We in the lead now. Hey. Yeah, I'm a good QB. Dang, I got an interception. Then I got a good pass to a touchdown. Like, oh, whoa. Hey, let's get fourth quarter, because if it was second quarter, bro, we would have had 100 points by now. Get that kid. What I talk about, son? That's it. That was a good kid, though. And I can't even say that was like a good interception, because it was my interception. I'm surprised by my interceptions. It was this one day. I was playing on Steelers, right? Because you can pick your team where your captains, but I didn't pick a team because I was a captain, but they picked Steelers, and I was on that team. That was my best game of being receiver. My best game ever. I mean, when I say ever, I mean like ever. We're not getting that first down. Oh, I thought I did tackle. I think he got up in there. But I say, yeah. Anyway, I got 6 catches, but I didn't believe it. But I probably got a lot of interceptions. That's why I said I didn't believe it, because I probably got a lot of interceptions. Cause I did get a lot of interceptions that game. Cause it was Kai. It was Kai. It's just me and Kai. We was on the same team because we became friends that day. We were Can QB? Oh, I don't know. Yay! He said fine. I got you though. Go back. I told you, man. I got you. Bang! Money! That's a cute face of yours. I hope you're talking about. Thanks. King. Die. You were talking about my face. Right. Push for it. Okay. Just gotta show some love for the fans. When I say fans, I mean so I can live recording a YouTube video. I don't know why. So it's been 7 minutes. God, it feel like it's been 2. I don't know what to say. Like it's been 2 minutes. It's not gonna click right now. I gotta go to sleep at 9:30. And I'll start riding the bus on Thursday. Y'all, it's funny on my bus. I can't describe it. It's too funny. It's just the bus driver. He be like, it's so weird when he says it. He be like, "Can I sit down, little boy?" But he'll say, "You didn't get that interception. Have no hands." Anyway, but he'll say like, "Well, like, I don't do it, but like for some reason, he doesn't get mad at us when we say like Ryan, this boy in my school, he'll be like, sit down, little boy," and then that's when the bus driver won't get mad because he's mimicking him more. I don't know, but it was so funny. Cause they kept saying that as class. I was like, what does that mean? And then go on the bus, he'd be saying, sit down, little boy. And I was like, oh, that's what y'all got sit down, little boy from. So, yeah. Man, hide the ball. We about to sit down, kid. You ain't going nowhere. Y'all is not. Y'all, what the? Oh my god, he broke her ankles, guys. Guys, that was a little ankle breaker, but not really ankle breaker. Oh, please. Yay. Go, Diamond. Touchdown. Wait, no! Nah, hand off. Height, though. Bro, move with your big old head, bruh. Here. Hey, I'm over here, bro. On field. I gotta be quarterback, man. It's the rescue place. Guys, you know what? We're savage. Eat him. Bro, you're so slow. I could just go. I am the one that way you're talking. That's what a lot of people do. They're like, I am the one that way you're talking. Don't need that gun. Thanks, man. Everybody's saying not. This is a positive team. Usually when I get on a team, if I just take the ball like that and dive into the end zone or something, I just go into the end zone and be like, hog, you're such a hogger. Like, relax. It's a ball. You're gonna go like, hog over a ball. It's done to me, guys. I know. Ooh, please don't throw it off. I don't know. Maybe I should end the video here. I'm just in here. This game kind of broke. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. Wasn't really a long video, I know. I'm sorry though. I promise I'll be trying to upload more, but my iPad recorder's not working. But yeah. See you guys. Wait, let's see the best passer in this game real quick. Let's see the stats. Let's see the stats, bro. LT, he's in here. King Diamond was the best rusher. He's here. Alright. Bye, guys.